bawakhe
Okay.
ngaphambi uMakhumalo ayofika kaMseliku
Yeah.
wayengenayo yini ingane yakhe nomuntu wakhe.
Wayekhulela uMakhumalo.
Awusakwazi wena usuwaba nehayi ingane before afike kaMseliku, awukwazi manje wena lokho. Awusakwazi lokho.
uMakhumalo futhi angimazanga mina enengane. Ngaze later lelo daba ngilizwe sengilizwa ngabantu.
Manithi okay wakhulelwa waba nengane ikuphi ingane?
Ngicabanga ukuthi umkhonyana wakhe khathi emthatha eyongena kaMseliku bayikhuluma lona. Uyazi ukuthi ikuphi ingane. So yena namhlanje ngoba nakho usemkhulu uyaphinda futhi uzothini? Uyekiseleni ingane yabantu ngoba thina awusiye kusanga. Uma Khumalo wafika la ekhaya esebenzayo. La ungazange umyekise khona ukusebenza.
So guys, I think we can all agree ukuthi uMamkhulu left us with a lot of questions on yesterday's episode. I'm just asking myself ukuthi why didn't she spit all of this during the therapy session? This could have been addressed head on and we could have gotten answers. When I say Umacele is a coward, her friends were saying Yamzonda. I don't hate Umacele, but I hate her behavior. She was quiet and pretending to be falling asleep during therapy session, only for her to crash out after. Guys, Macele lacks emotional intelligence. Her emotional intelligence is non-existent. Sanbonani, hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel where I give you updates and reviews of reality TV shows. This is our update and review of Uthando Nestembu episode 21 highlight. So please watch until the end of this video because as usual, I've got a lot to unpack. Let's dive into it. So on yesterday's episode, we saw Macele having a conversation with Mtombeni and she was literally fuming with anger. Macele told Mtombeni that she didn't sleep at all because of the previous night's dinner. She went on to tell Mtombeni ukuthi the more she thought about it, the more furious she got. Macele pointed out to Mtombeni that there are two things that made you angry, and one of the things is what Makhumalo said, which is she mentioned something that she said when they were coming from filming Ezomshado and she didn't like it because Tobile made it look like what Macele shared with her. She was directing it to her, yet that wasn't the case. For the duration, continuing with their conversation, Macele went on to tell Mtombeni that another thing which made her angry is which Mtombeni said that some of them didn't want him to have additional wives. And she is one of those who asked him when he married Makhumalo if he knew her well enough. And she also told him that Tobile is the same girl they used to meet when she was pregnant. In their diary session, Mtombeni asked Umacele ukuthi, was Makhumalo pregnant? Because you don't remember. Macele responded to Mtombeni that doesn't he know that Makhumalo had a child of her own with her then partner before she joined the Mseleku family. Mtombeni responded Umamkhulu that she wanted him to attest to something he wasn't sure of. Concurrently, in his own confessional, Mtombeni added ukuthi Macele was saying to him she showed him Makhumalo when she was pregnant and that he don't recall at all. Yana, he didn't get to know Makhumalo when she already had a child. Mtombeni went ahead to utter ukuthi also Macele was saying he told you that he would never marry someone with a child, but he married Makhumalo when she already had a child. Mtombeni went further to say he didn't know whether Makhumalo had a child or not when he married her. He only found out about that matter later, and it's not something he wished to talk about. He only heard about it from hearsay, and it's not only Umacele, but he heard it from different members of the Mseleku family who are members of the community. They talked about it, but he chose not to get involved. At the same time, Macele carried on to tell Mtombeni ukuthi why today he says some of them didn't want him to marry Makhumalo. It's because they told him that she had a child. Since that time, Yena Mtombeni had said he would never marry someone with a child. Macele continued to tell Mtombeni that Makhumalo is the same girl whom Yena Mtombeni told her was only going to be a domestic helper eMzumbe, and not she would become his wife, but she became his wife, and she brought another woman into eMzumbe to be a surrogate. And Yena Umamkulu didn't get involved with that because she don't get involved in other people's bedroom affairs. Macele went further to say now Makhumalo sees herself as high and mighty, and she's asking why did Mtombeni make Makwela quit a job, because he didn't make them quit their jobs. Yet Yena, when she joined the family, she wasn't working. Mamkulu went ahead to ask Mtombeni ukuthi which job was he gonna make Makhumalo quit when she was jobless. Oops, guys, the hate is loud. When Makhumalo asked Mtombeni why he made Samke to quit her job, she was literally looking out for Usamke. Makhumalo expressed concern regarding the decision, questioning why Mtombeni would require a wife to leave her independence and income earning ability when they are supposed to be advancing women's empowerment. She even asked countless times that where did Mtombeni get the power to make Samke quit your job when we are fighting for women's independence? I give up on Umamkulu. Guys, in life, school is very important. Yena Umamkulu asking Mtombeni that which job was he gonna make Makhumalo quit when she joined the family jobless? That's an absurd question because the fact still remains that Mseleko didn't stop Makhumalo from building a career. So, on everything Macele said on that episode, I picked up that she said whatever she said to humiliate Makhumalo because, according to her, Makhumalo attacked her during therapy session. My question still stands, why didn't Macele respond to Makhumalo there and then? Macele was supposed to have addressed this matter within the session rather than crashing out after session. I said this and I will say it again and again. Macele's emotional intelligence is non-existent. She decided to avoid responding Makhumalo when she felt attacked, yet during therapy was the right time to address the issue since therapy provides a safe space for addressing conflict, and addressing feelings of being attacked was going to help you move from the attack defend cycle toward resolution. The way Macele is handling this conflict of hers with Umakhumalo, it's screaming bitterness because why didn't she say all these things to Tobile's face? Even if Makhumalo got a child somewhere, it's not Macele's place to talk about it. Maybe there is a reason why Makhumalo doesn't want to disclose it yet. What Macele did was uncalled for and distasteful. Umamkulu is a horrible person. I'm still trying to figure out Ukutsi, what was she trying to achieve with everything she added. Yani kunzima estenjini. So Tina, as viewers, we heard that Umakhumalo was very young, below 18, when she first began visiting the Mseleko homestead, where she was known to beat drums in Mseleko's family church. And we also heard Ukuthi Mseleko began making subtle advances and telling Makhumalo he wanted to marry her when she was very young and naive. When Makhumalo was roughly 16 or 17 years old, Mseleko initially introduced her to his home in guise as a helper, and he officially married her in 2009 at the age of 18. So Umacele said she saw Makhumalo pregnant and she had a child before she joined the train. I think it was Mtomeni's child, and the child passed on because there is no way Makhumalo would hide a child and go to the extent of bringing in another woman, eMusumbe, to be a surrogate, and on the other hand begs Mtomeni to do IVFs with her so that she can have a child. I doubt that Makhumalo got a child that she left somewhere. while simultaneously raising below another woman's child. The child Maqhele mentioned definitely belonged to Mtombeni, and the child passed on. Why am I sticking to the assumption that the child belonged to Musa? It's because his answers to the allegations showed Ukuthi he was protecting something. Obviously, he wasn't protecting Makhumalo. We all know Mtombeni, he only loves himself. He was protecting that he impregnated Makhumalo out of wedlock when she was a minor. That's why he turned a deaf ear when his wives and the community talked about it. Mtombeni said he didn't know whether Makhumalo had a child or not when he married her. He found out about the matter later from hearsay and he decided not to get involved. Guys, there is no way. In a situation where a man marries a woman without knowing she has a child, it is highly unlikely he would turn a deaf ear once the truth comes out, because that is a major secret. Mtombeni impregnated Makhumalo. That's why he didn't say much about the matter. In conclusion, all I can say is that Umaqhele was wrong for poking her nose in Makhumalo's business. Yena, she doesn't want people to talk about her issues, but she dished out Makhumalo's. Maqhele is a hypocrite. And to make matters worse, Makhumalo didn't personally attack her. Maqhele is a foul human being. So guys, that is all that I had in this particular video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? There is literally nothing to wait for. So please kindly subscribe to join this beautiful family. If you've got your own opinion, your own observation, your own perspective, you know what we do here. Don't hesitate. Kindly go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section box down below. Thank you so much once again for tuning in. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and also share it. Bye for now.